The views are insane, look. That is the River Nile. I can't believe that. And just down here, they've had boats coming in and out all day, camel rides. We've just been sat on our balcony, enjoying. It's still, I mean, it's 7 o'clock and it's still so hot. Like, it feels just as hot as it was in the evening. I think we might go for an evening swim and then we'll get an early night because we have to wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning and to be ready for 4 a.m. to go to Abu-Simbel. So good morning. It is the morning that we travel to Abu-Simbel. So it is currently 4:41 in the morning and we are just waiting for a bridge to open to continue our journey. We're hoping to get to Abu-Simbel, I think, around 8 o'clock. And we got up, we went to sleep. Well, I went to sleep. Someone over here did not get too much sleep. I went to sleep around 8:30, but I didn't really nap yesterday. So I think that was why I was able to just sleep really well. So I've got about 7.5 hours sleep. So I'm feeling pretty fresh. We got up at 3 this morning, left at 4. The hotel have kindly put together these really cute, let me see, these really cute little breakfast lunch boxes for us, which I thought was really sweet. I haven't actually really had a look in it, but there seems to be lots of stuff in there. I'll maybe go through that in a bit. But we were asking one of the guys that we went for a late night swim last night and we got chatting to an American guy and he went yesterday morning and there's like, I think some boiled eggs, juice box, some yogurts, there's water, that kind of stuff in there. But yeah, for now we will just wait until the bridge opens and I will keep you posted on our trip to Abu-Simbel. I'm really, really excited for this part of the trip. And this was also a part of the trip that when I first started planning, I thought with time wise, while I was still figuring things out, I thought that we'd have to miss. And I was really, really disappointed because where we're going, in my opinion, from the pictures that I've seen anyway, looks like probably the most impressive thing. I think it just looks unbelievable. So I'm really excited to see it in person and, get some good pictures. And of course, I'll take you along for the journey. So next time I check in, we will be in Abu-Simbel. So we've arrived, we've got our tickets and gone through the standard security stuff that they seem to have at every one of these sites, which is just a bit like when you're at the airport, you put your stuff in a bag and it goes through like security scanner. But it was very, very quick. The journey was great actually, because after I updated you guys, I literally slept for the whole 4 hours, like deep sleep, dreams and everything. So I'm very chuffed with that extra bit of sleep. So now I've got a full 10 hours or so of sleep. So I think that's definitely me catching up from the overnight Siwa car trip. So yeah, feeling really refreshed. And we're just walking down this long road and on our way to the site. We don't know like what to expect or anything like that, but it's very quiet. It's already probably late 20s at least. It doesn't feel unbearable at this point, although it was scheduled to be around like 32 already at 8 o'clock in the morning. So really looking forward to it. Got our water. I haven't had any of the breakfast that they've provided us with yet, just because I was asleep. But yeah, I will keep you updated. We are in the temple and we are astounded. I feel like this is not even doing it justice. That is insane. Look at some of the hieroglyphics. Look. All etched in. I just would love to know what it means. It's like, look. I feel like this camera is not even. Look at that. Wow. So in these corner moments, yeah, I'm like torn between wanting to be in the moment and just be like, absorb where I am and absorb what I'm looking at, next to wanting to capture it so I have my reaction on camera just for my sake, for like to reflect on and know what I was thinking and feeling. But yeah, oh my god, I need to show you this. These fans are really saving the day right now because they don't seem to work outside in this heat in Aswan, but in these temples where there's no wind and it's very humid, which, as I said before, in Egypt, it's not really humid. It's just like a hot heat. It's like wet that you're sweating in these tombs and things. So thank God for these fans. Thank you, John Lewis. So I'll show you this because we had this one to ourselves, but there seem to be lots of very similar rooms like this and full of paintings and hieroglyphics. I would love to know what it meant and what the symbolism is behind it. But yeah, they all look like this. Oof, that's not nice. Look at that. I was just saying, I don't think my brain can like process and I can't even wrap my head around what I'm seeing. I can't comprehend that I'm here and I'm seeing this in real life. Because it's stuff that like you've learned since you were a kid. Hieroglyphics and ancient Egypt and yeah, I just like blows your mind. And nothing that I'm showing you, none of the pictures we've taken even begin to, it does not, it's like the pyramids, like it's just the top layer. I mean, especially here, to be honest, I feel like I could have captured the pyramids pretty okay, but in here you cannot even really understand till you're seeing it in real life how mind-blowing and the magnitude of it all, like, really is surreal. So we are now just walking to the next area to look at. Oh, hair on my face. There looks to be a little cafe over there, so hopefully I could just grab a bar of something because I'm starting to get quite hungry. But look at that. I can't even see that. Oh, yeah. Unbelievable. Okay, so we just had some ice cream and just some chocolate bars just to keep the energy levels, good. I just checked the temperature as well, and it's 10 o'clock in the morning, and yet, guess what the temperature is? 37 degrees. Yeah, 37 Celsius. So, yeah, it's very hot, so some shade is very appreciated right now and a bit of a breeze. So we will go into the second temple, see what that's about. And I was just saying to Ollie that you see so many pictures of the outside of the temples and all the Instagram shots and that kind of stuff, but you never actually see what's inside of them. So I have really no clue what I'm going into in either of these temples, or I don't have any expectation at all, which is really nice because quite a lot of the places and the things that we're doing on this trip, you do see pictures, you may watch a documentary about it, but yeah, I'll be really curious to see what the history of this place when I get back, and kind of take that time to chill and read up about that. But absolutely, yeah, unreal. Feels a little bit surreal, to be honest, that we're here. Yeah, completely surreal, and I feel like that's the theme of the whole holiday. Is just everything is completely surreal. Temple. I actually prefer it to the other one. Firstly, it's a lot quieter. I don't know if that's time of day though, and it's so hot. But I feel like the drawings are a lot clearer and more defined. There's a bit more colour happening. I just want to be able to capture like the things I'm seeing if I can, because some of the pictures that I took when I went travelling, like to Bali and things like that, those pictures still are just amazing to me. Like I always look at them and I feel like that perfectly captures where I was in that area, in that country. Oh my God, sorry, I'm so hot. Words are not forming that well. Yeah. You can see it a lot better on camera, I feel. Like, look at that. That is unbelievable. It's so hard to wrap my head around what I'm seeing. So hard. And also, my phone keeps overheating, so not really ideal for any of this. But look at that. That is unbelievable. Unbelievable.